Many residents of the Santa Clara Valley enjoy the sport of cycling, from the casual rider, the bicycle commuter, to those dreaming of Tour de France glory. No matter where you go, you will see cyclists of all types out riding their bicycles. Another fact of life in the Bay Area is traffic. Traffic signals are timed to ensure a safe and orderly flow of vehicular traffic. But what about bicyclists? The average bicycle rider needs more time to get through a busy intersection than an automobile does. That's why Santa Clara County's Roads and Airport Department has developed an adaptive signal timing for bicycles project to provide additional green light time for bicyclists to ride safely in Silicon Valley. The Adaptive Signal Timing for Bicycles project uses bicycle sensors embedded in the bicycle lane of the roadway and is marked in paint with a bicycle legend. This marker helps bicyclists to see and correctly position their bicycles on the sensor. When the sensor is activated, a signal controller, which controls the traffic signals, is notified of a bicycle at the intersection. Depending on when the bicycle arrives at the intersection, the signal controller will dynamically provide appropriate signal timing for the bicyclist to cross the intersection. To demonstrate how all this works, we have 3 scenarios of a cyclist arriving at an intersection during red, yellow, and green signals. First, let's look at a scenario where the bicyclist arrives when the signal is red. The bicyclist is approaching the intersection, and the traffic signal is red. The bicycle passes over the sensor, and the controller is notified. Since the signal is red, the bicyclist stops at the limit line and waits for the green light. Back in the controller, a bicycle call is registered, and when the signal turns green for that direction, the signal controller will provide a longer green light, giving the bicycle adequate time to cross. This bicycle-specific timing is served only when bicycles are present. Now, let's look at a scenario where the bicyclist arrives when the traffic signal already shows yellow for that direction. When the signal is yellow, bicyclists are expected to stop at the limit line. Observations show that most bicyclists stop at the intersection on yellow, while motor vehicles rush to clear the intersection. Therefore, a bicycle call is registered in the signal controller to be served during the next cycle. In the next cycle, the signal controller will provide similar timing as in the previous scenario. When a bicyclist arrives at the intersection and the traffic signal is already green, the bicyclist rides over the sensor and continues to cross the intersection without stopping. As the bicyclist activates the sensor, the signal controller detects a bicycle call and this time extends the green light time. This green light extension time is bicycle specific and is longer than typical motor vehicle green. Currently with this pilot project, bicycle sensors are installed at selected high-demand locations on the expressways. Bicycle sensors at additional intersections on the expressways will be installed when funds become available. As demonstrated in this video, having bicycle detection at signalized intersections is a simple way to provide a safer environment for bicyclists. The use of adaptive signal timing for bicycles allows motor vehicles, pedestrians, and bicycles to share the road in a safe and efficient manner.